video we covered very clearly about sir git rm command and the git checkout commands. Have you remembered, right? Okay. So the first we covered git rm file1.txt. Can you please confirm where the file will be removed? From which area the file will be removed? Please confirm. So from which area the file will be removed, sir? Yes, if I can take rm file1.txt, okay, if I can take this one, so it will remove the file. The file will be removed, the file will be removed from working directory under staging area, under staging area, okay, like under staging area. Sir, if I can take git rm hyphen cached file1.txt. Can you please confirm, sir, from which area the file will be removed, sir? Please confirm. Only the file will be removed, the file will be removed only from staging area, only from staging area, not from working directory. If I can take just rm, that's all, rm file1.txt. Can you please tell, sir, from where the file will be removed, sir? Only from working directory, only from working directory. Like, sir, you know all these things, right? Okay, just we had a discussion about how you can remove the file from working area, from staging area, okay, like only from staging area, like we discussed, right? Next, and after that, one more command we discussed after this. Have you remember, right? Git check out hyphen okay file1.txt. I took, sir, have you remember what will happen? Okay, check out what will happen. Okay, to discard unstaged changes. Are you getting that? What is the purpose of this one, sir? To discard, to discard unstaged changes in, to discard unchanged changes in working directory. Array, after staging, so if you did any modifications in the working directory, sorry man, okay, by mistake I did, can you please revert back, can you please revert back all those unstaged changes? Okay, the changes what we didn't add to staging area, okay, can you please discard those changes, to discard unstaged changes in the working directory of tracked files. Then we require to go for git checkout. Okay, like we discussed in detail about these commands, not required to keep any explanation about this, right? Okay, well, sir, now the next thing what I have to talk is, our next topic is git references. What is the topic, sir? Can you please spell out? Git references. Okay, like, now take a bit very special care. The name itself indicates a reference. So reference is a pointer, sir, pointer which is pointing to something else. Okay, git references. What is the meaning of this one, sir? Okay, well, here, have you remember somewhere we used the word master? Have you heard this word master in our git? Yes, multiple times we used this one. Next, somewhere we used the word head also we saw in the last sessions, right? Now I have to talk about these things in detail. Remember a bit very carefully, sir, what is the git references? Actually, these are references, like what is the meaning of that? Now you people are going to get much clarity about this. Okay, so before discussion of this, let me go for a small example so that you will get much clarity about this one, right? Sir, have you remembered we used multiple times commit id? Okay, commit id we used multiple times for git log, git def, several times we used commit id, right? Okay, like, sir, now, so for easy remembering the commit id, okay, here just observe carefully my points are, for most of the commands, like git log, git def, okay, we have to use commit IDs as arguments. Have you remember, right? So we used already in the last sessions, right? We require to use commit IDs as arguments, but the remembering these commit IDs is very difficult, correct, right? But remembering these commit IDs is very difficult, very difficult. Okay, so for these commit IDs, if you have some easy names, then our life will become very easy, sir. Okay, like so for these, array, what is the last recent commit? Okay, like you are going to get some 40 length, 40 length commit ID, 40 length commit ID, or at least you have to remember 7 characters. At least you require to remember 7 characters. But instead of remembering that, if you have some meaningful word to refer this sir 40 length commit id or commit use some meaningful easy word, simple name if you have, then our life will become very easy. Such a type of simple names are nothing but git references. Remember a bit very carefully, sir. git uh, git provides some sample names. Git provide some sample names, sir, for these commit IDs. Okay, like we have to here, have you observed, right? We can use these names directly instead of commit ID. Okay, we can use these names directly instead of commit IDs. Instead commit IDs, sir, we can use these names directly instead of commit IDs, right? These sample names are just a pointers to commit IDs. These are just a pointers to commit IDs. These sample names are nothing but references. Remember, these sample names are nothing but references. Is it clear for all of you? Just observe a bit carefully, sir. So for most of the commands, we require to use commit ID as the argument, like a git log or git def. These commands we require to pass commit ID, right? But remembering commit ID, so every time is a bit difficult. So instead of remembering commit ID, sir, git provides some sample names for these commit IDs. We can use these names directly instead of commit IDs, right? Sir, these are just pointers. And these sample names are nothing but references are refs. Okay, remember short name refs, but original name is the references. Any doubt about this? So references, what is the git references, right? Git references are pointers to commit IDs. Simple words. Git references are pointers to are pointers to commit IDs. Okay, like now, sir, here do I hope you people may aware what is the meaning of git reference. Most of the times, which commit ID, most of the times we require. Can you please confirm? Most of the times, which commit ID we require the most recent, correct, right? The most recent commit ID. Okay, so the most recent commit ID, the most recent commit ID is most commonly required, sir. The most recent commit ID. Array, don't remember that 40 length. Wherever it is required, just you can use master, or you can use head master, or you can use head. Okay, like so it is instead of last commit ID, you can use master, or you can use head itself is acceptable, because these are the references to the last commit ID or the most recent commit ID. Now I can use the word, these things are references. Are you in the position to understand, right? What is the meaning of git references? Is it clear for all of you? But as of now, let me stick to only these two words. So, but general meaning is references, like sir. Next, where these references will be stored inside our git. Okay, here dot git folder is there. Okay, dot git. This is our local repository, right? In that, there is one directory is there. Refs directory is there. References directory is there. Okay, like there So all the references will be stored. Remember this one, sir. So all the references will be stored where? In this location here. All references will be stored. Okay, will be stored. Remember that. Next, there are multiple types of references are there, like heads. Next, and after that, tags and the remotes like okay. Anyway, so as of now we can talk about head, but a tags concept separate topic is there in the future we are going to discuss, and the remotes also, don't worry at all, sir. Okay, like so where the references will be stored in your local git repository. So there is a directory is there. What is the directory? Can you please spell out, sir? Reps directory is there, so which is present inside our local repository. In that, all our references by default will be stored, available. Okay, like now, so let me show practically these are things so that you people can get much clarity. Everyone got the basic idea what is the meaning of git references? Array, can you please spell out? Git references are pointers to commit IDs. Instead of remembering full length, 40 length characters or 7 length commit ID, just use these references. So our life will become very easy. Beyond that, nothing there, sir. Okay, just for easiness, idea's sake, let me go for a small example so that you may get much clarity about this. Okay, here observe carefully. Here observe that what I'm trying to take is, let me create, sir, my current working directory. Observe that d git projects is there. Let me create mkdir project 7. Okay, I'm creating project 7. Let me move to project 7. I have to request, can you please provide version control for me? Can you please create local repository for me? Git init. Okay, like it's clear. Now let me create a file, file vi vi file 1.txt. Here just I'm trying to take, okay, first line in file 1.txt. Just observe carefully, right? First line in file 1.txt. Okay, like just I took only one file, don't worry, sir. Next, and after that, git add. Okay, just git add. I took just git add. Next, what I'm trying to take here is dot r file 1.txt. Git add file 1.txt. Okay, like added. Next, git commit -m file 1.txt. Added like I took, sir. That's all, sir. Now take very special care about this one, sir. Sir, commit already created or not? Oh, respond. One commit already completed or not? Yes, one commit already we completed already one commit. Okay, now git log hyphen one line, or otherwise git log. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. Git log, sir. Here have you observed? This is the commit id. This is the commit id, right? Okay, this is the commit id we have. Now this is the most recent commit id. Almost its length is 40 length character. Remembering this one is not that much easy. Clear, right? Oh, respond. Are you in the position to understand, right? Okay, like, sir, now to remember to use this commit id wherever we require, then we have to use either master or head. Sir, what is master or what is head? Listen carefully, sir. Sir, what is master? Okay, what is master? Okay, like, have you remembered whenever we use git status, what is the answer we are getting? On branch master. Are you seeing? On branch master. Okay, like we are seeing this one, sir. So it's a very clear, master is the name of the branch, correct or not? Please confirm. Master is the name of the branch. Okay, branch like, sir, is it possible to create our own branches? Is it possible to create our own branches? Yes, we can create. That is our next topic. There I will discuss. Don't worry at all. Next, it is just the master is the name of the branch. Next, here it is a reference. It is a reference. Reference means, can I use the word pointer or not? Pointer to last commit. Okay, it is the reference. It is the reference or pointer to last commit. So wherever last commit id is required, simply you can use master. Simply you can use master. Hence wherever wherever last commit id required. So required, we can use simply master. Remember, right? Again, very simple, sir. We can use a simply master. So instead of using this much lengthy commit ID, use master so that our life will become very easy. Master is a pointer or is a reference to the last commit ID. Is it clear for all of you, right? Are you feeling comfortable? What is the master, right? Sir, where is the proof? How you can consider that, right? Sir, I told one thing. Where the references are stored, can you please tell? Where the references are stored inside git reps folder. Inside git reps folder is there. Let me open this one here. Just I'm trying to take, okay, pwd here. Let me go to see git dot git. Have you remembered dot git? Next in the dot git, let me take here ls. Do you have reference? Yes, references is there. Let me go to references, okay, like ls. Inside that, heads are there, tags are there. We didn't use any remote repositories, so that's why remotes are not there. Heads and even tags also I didn't. Tags may be empty. Let me take a cd. 1 minute, sir. Cd tags I'm taking. So we didn't use any tags. That's why ls empty, nothing is there, sir. Okay, go back. Okay, go back here. Let me go to head. Let me go to heads. Okay, well, now observe carefully, sir. What is this one? What is this one? Master. Are you seeing master, right? Sir, now is it a file or is it a directory? ls-l. Okay, can you please confirm based on this, is it a file or directory? Can you please confirm, is it a file or a directory? Respond. Is it a file or directory? File. Because the first character is a hyphen symbol, means it is a normal file, normal text file. Okay. But if it is the D is there, then it is the directory. Okay. Let me open inside this file which data is there. Okay. Like now, observe that. Now have a look once. So which data is there inside this file? Let me cross check here. Okay, is it the last commit id or not? Can you please confirm? Yes, friends, is it a last commit id or not? Yeah. So internally, master is always referring to which ones are commit id only. Any explanation is required, friends? Is it clear for all of you, right? Now master is pointing to this one. Okay, well, now I have one small doubt. Okay, let me create one more commit, or let me do one more commit. Okay, here just observe that. Pwd. Okay, sir, here just let me go back. Here I'm trying to take, okay, in project 7. Okay, vi file1.txt. Okay, let me take a file one, vi file1.txt. Okay, like I'm trying to take, sir. Let me do some change. Okay, here second line in file1.txt, second line in file1.txt, like this I took, sir. Now let me commit. Okay, can you please tell how I can commit, sir? Respond. How I can commit? Git commit. Okay, hyphen a hyphen m superfast commit. Okay, like so file one dot txt, second line added. Okay, like I'm trying to take some file one dot txt, second line added. Okay, like now how many commits are there? Git log. How many commits are there? Now two commits are there. Now if you observe, the most recent commit, last commit is this one. Have you observed? The last commit is this one. Now master is pointing to which ones are this, the most recent commit automatically. Let me cross check. Cd here, just observe that dot sorry, cd dot get. Okay, dot get. Next and after that refs, next and after that heads. Okay, like now here master is there, cat master. Okay, like I'm trying to take, sir. Now observe that Yes, is it the most recent commit or not? Whenever there is a new commit, automatically master will be updated to new commit. Any doubt? So master is always pointing to the most recent commit. Is any explanation is required about this? Respond. Any explanation is required about this terminology, friends? Clear, right? Okay, well, practically, is it really, master is really pointing to the last commit or not? Yes, internally, the data itself is going to be showed, it's available, right? Okay, like now, I have one small question is there. Can we create the number of master for each commit? No, no, we are not going to create. Master is the default variable, which is the provided by Git. So master points to commits at a time. Yes, it's always pointing to only one commit at a time. Master can always point into one commit at a time. Remember that. Okay. So which is the latest commit? Yeah. Here just observe that I have assume that this is my local repository. Just assume it is my local repository, right? So now this is the first commit. Assume that this is the first commit. Assume this is the second commit. Assume it is the third commit. Assume it is the third commit. Now, sir, what is our master? Okay, what is our master? Master, I can use the word master is just a reference which is pointing to, okay, the most recent commit. Is it clear, right? So it's always pointing to. So what is master? Master is a reference. It's a pointer which is pointing to this one. Okay, like so wherever this commit ID is required, instead of that, you can use master. You can use master. Yes, where is the proof for that? Very simple, sir. Array, I want to know which information is there inside. Okay, this particular commit. I want to know, sir. What I want to take? Git git show. Show is the command, sir, to know information of a particular commit. Git show. How many characters are required? Can you please confirm? 7 characters are enough, right? Git show 7 characters are enough. What about this? Is it 7 is there? Yes, correct. 7 characters are there. Or full also you can copy. No problem at all. Now have a look once about this one, sir. Here just I'm trying to take, okay, pwd project 7, good. Okay, git show information about this commit. Okay, information about this commit, sir. So it is going to talk about information about this commit. Okay, sir, here first line in file 1, second line in. So this is earlier it is there, but now this is the second line which is added, like it is showing between previous commit and the current commit what is the difference also. Okay, like any doubt about this one? It is showing the information about that particular commit. But instead of this, can I use master? Yes. Is it the same or not? Yes, why not? Git show master. Okay, like now have you look once. If I can take like this, am I getting the same information or not? Git show master, the same commit id, the same commit id. Yes, so this is the second line which is added in this commit when compared with the previous commit. Okay, instead of using lengthy commit ids, happily you can use like this one, right? Okay, like next, there is one small thing I want to refer. Okay, just is it possible? Okay, somewhere I covered. Have you remembered in the last head? Next and after that head tilde symbol one, like so tilde symbol one means last but one commit. Okay, last but one commit for the master. Is it applicable or not? Let me cross check, friends. Okay, here git show master. So first commit I'm talking, sir. Here have a look once. Is it going to work or not? Yes. Is it working or not? If you want to refer last but one commit, okay, like so perfectly it's working. There is no problem at all. Why you have to remember this lengthy commit IDs? Array, last commit, last but one commit, last but two commit. Like if you want, then that's all. It's always going to show. So it is telling only first line. Have you observed? It is telling only first line. There is no second line. So clear. What is the meaning of master? Okay, like so what is master? Yeah, Is it possible to rename the master, Ketan? Yes, we can do that, but anyway, so maybe in the future if it is required we will do. As of now, so just answer for that is we can rename master. Git still starts working with that new name, no problem at all. Viraj, second commit how you can see means master tilde one. Any doubt? So master means the most recent commit. Next, second commit means from the top second commit, last but one commit, tilde one, last but two commit. Okay, master tilde two, something like you can use. Any doubt? The things are clear for you people, right? What is about master? It is a reference where the data will be stored related to the master. Dot gain slash refs. Next and after that here heads in the master file is there. In this file our required data is available. Okay, like that's all this is about master. Next, there is one more concept is there, head. We discussed already in the last sessions, but anyway, just let me talk. What is head? What is head? Okay, here what is head like this I want to touch on, sir. Very simple, sir. So head is a reference to master. Remember this, head is what is the head is a reference to master, a reference to master, like, sir, already master is a reference. For this one more reference is there. If you want, head is the reference to master. Okay, remember this one, it is the reference to master. So a reference pointing to another reference. Can I use the word it is a reference pointing to another reference or not? Such type of references are called symbolic reference. What is that word? Symbolic reference. Okay, symbolic reference, the reference which is pointing to another reference. Such type of reference is called symbolic reference. It is the normal reference only. Master is the normal reference, but head itself is nothing but what? Symbolic reference. Any doubt? Can you please confirm? Hey, respond. So here just observe carefully, right? So head is a reference to master. Okay. If any reference pointing to another reference. If any reference pointing to another reference, pointing to another reference, such type of reference is called, symbolic reference. Symbolic reference. So obviously head is a symbolic reference. Head is a symbolic reference. Remember this one, sir. Okay, that's all. Next, here by default head is always pointed to the master. Okay, just take a bit special care, sir. By default head is always pointing to the master. By default, okay, it's a very important, sir. By default head is always pointing to the master. Remember, but sometimes head may not pointing to head may not point into the master. Okay, last recent commit it may not point. Such type of case is called detached head. But anyway, in the next level, if it is required, we are going to discuss, sir. What is the detached head? Detached means separated this head. It is not pointing to master. It may be pointing to somewhere else, or maybe pointing to this branch, this commit, or maybe pointing to this commit. There is a possibility is there for the head, but how it is going to be there in the next level we are going to discuss. Okay, like just aware, sir. So head is pointing to the master by default. It may point into some other commits also. Such type of cases are called detached head. Remember that the head is called detached head. Okay, anyway, right, sir, where this head information is available? Remember carefully, sir, where master information is available. Can you please confirm? Dot respond. Dot git in the refs, in the in that heads, in that master. Okay, like in this file the data is there, but head information Where it will be there, sir? Inside that git directory only. Okay, head information, head information, head information is available. Okay, head information is available, is available, is available in dot git directory. Okay, the root of local repository, here only it will be available. Where is the proof for that? Okay, where is the proof for that? Let me show here where we are. Okay, now let me enter into cd.git. Okay, perfect. Yes. Okay, are you seeing head is there? Is it a file or is it a directory? I want to know. Sir, can you please confirm, is it a file or not? Yes, yes, it's a file, because the reason is, if it is the directory ends with the slash symbol blue color is there. Okay, by seeing, so it is head is a file. Let me open this file. Cat head, if I can take like this. Yes, have you observed? It is a reference, internally this reference pointing to, it is a reference, internally this reference pointing to, sir, heads master. Okay, it is pointing to which ones are master. Clear indication? So head is pointing to the master, master is pointing to the last commit. Sir, this head and master, these are things are by default considered as references, git references. Yeah, Viraj, it is just like a path, correct? Yes. Any doubt about this diagram? Okay. Now my question is, yes, very clear. If instead of here, just observe that earlier I used what is the last commit. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me go to my working directory. I mean, working directory. Yes, if you want, you can see. Now observe that git log, git log I'm taking, sir. Git log I'm trying to take. Sir, this is, or otherwise git log short one line I'm taking, sir. Now observe that these are the two commits what I have. Now have a look once, sir. These are the two commits what I have. Sir, git show. If I use this one, if I use this one, next git show. If I use master is both are same or not? Please confirm. Both the things are same or not? Yes. If I use git show head, yes, it is also same. It's also same because head is pointed to the master, master is pointing to the last commit. Okay, let me cross check, sir. What answers by default we are going to get? Okay, git show, git show here, like this one I'm taking. Yeah, second line added. Perfect. Okay, now let me take this one. Git show master, git show master, master, like yes, second line added. Okay, now let me take git show head, git show head, like sir, here just observe that second line added. Are you seeing right? Is it the same or not? All these things talks about same only. Okay, if you want to know previous commit, if you want to know previous commit, what I have to talk, sir? Git tilde one. The previous commit means first commit we have. Okay, the previous commit, first commit itself what we have. Okay, like now observe, this is the first line means this is the previous commit. So clear, not required to keep any explanation about this one. Okay, references, head, master, these things are called the references. In the future, if it is required, we can create our own references. Okay, so to simplify our job. So have you remember, right? Now we are not required to remember any commit IDs directly. Array, can you please show last commit ID information? Last commit information. Can you please show? Oh, what? Don't ask what is the commit ID of last. Okay, directly you can ask. You can ask git show head or otherwise git show master, like. Okay, so from the top, third commit I want. Third commit information I required, sir. Third commit information I require. If you require third commit information, what you can take? Can you please tell? Can you please tell? Third commit information. Can you please tell? Two you have to take. Head tilde two we have to take. Head header till 1 and then header till 2. We are not required to remember those bloody commit IDs lengthy. So references are going to simplify our life. So all the people are getting basic idea about Git references or not? Yes. Okay. Any doubt about this diagram? 1 minute, 1 minute. Why it's taken too much time to load a small diagram? Okay, maybe the app did not start. Okay, now here just observe that. 1 minute, 1 minute. There is a problem with yeah, the same diagram only. Don't worry. Yeah, sir, can you please observe that? Do you have any difference or anything I require to explain about this one? Clear, right? So the same thing only, whatever I explained. Yes. Okay, that's all. This is about okay, this is related to the this one talks about what is the what we can use the word, what itself is, what is the meaning of okay, references. That's all, just basic idea, better to keep. Maybe in the future references means don't feel something new word. Okay, these are the shortcut names or pointers to commit IDs. Beyond that, nothing. Okay, we will discuss in the next level detail. Don't worry, sir. Maybe in the interview room, maybe a chance to ask what is the detached head? What is the answer you can tell? What is the detached head? What is the answer we can tell? Sometimes, okay, sometimes head is not pointing to branch name. Head is not pointing to the branch name. Branch name, of course, here by default branch name is the master. Okay, head is not pointing to the branch name. Such type of head is called detached head. Such type of head is called detached head, remember. So sometime maybe a chance for the interview room, what is the detached head, then you should be in the position to answer right. Okay, that's all. This is the brief information about Git references. Better to keep this information in your mind for the future sake. That's all. Thanks.